Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to download a map in Google Maps. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see options like search bar, your user icon, explore, go, saved, contribute, and updates. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on your user icon on the top right corner, then select offline maps. Once you do that, you can see select your own map option. Just tap on it, then select the area that you want to download the map of. Just drag it and fit it into the scale, then go ahead and tap on download. It might take a few seconds, but it will gradually be downloaded on your phone. Then you can go ahead and look at it even when you're not connected to internet. And guys, that's it. That's how you download maps on Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.